Do you want to get Discord on your PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Perform a system software update. Before you get Discord on your PS5, first make sure your system is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then select System Software section. Select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest updated file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. Method 2. Adjust privacy settings. The next thing you can do is adjust privacy settings on PS5. For that, go back to Settings. Select Users and Accounts. Select Privacy. Choose View and customize your privacy settings. Scroll down to your activity. Ensure both options below are set to Anyone. Method 3. Link your Discord account. The next thing you should do is link your Discord account. Go back to Users and Accounts. Scroll down to Linked Services. Select Discord on the right. Select Link Account. Press Accept and Continue. Accept the terms and conditions if asked. A QR code and digital code will pop up on the screen. Now you can scan the QR code using your smartphone camera and enter the code on the provided field. Alternatively, you can log into Discord using the PS5 Internet browser. A successful message should pop up on your screen confirming the pairing. Now you can enjoy chatting with friends or Discord using your PS5. Method 4. Check the internet connection. The next thing you should check is that you are connected to a stable internet connection. You can run an internet connection test. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, then select Network, then select Test Internet Connection. You can also connect another device to the same internet and go to speedtest.net to check the internet speed. You can contact your local service provider for help. Method 5. Restart your router and modem. The next thing you can do is restart the router or modem. To do that, turn off your router and modem. Wait at least 5 minutes. Turn them back on. Now check if that could resolve the issue. And there you have it. The methods to get Discord on PS5. We hope the methods have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned? Click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.